Do you find yourself constantly struggling with your finances, feeling like your money vanishes as soon as you get it? If this phrase strikes a chord, know that you're not alone in this struggle. It's a problem that's all too common, the perpetual state of being broke, constantly playing catch up with your finances with no end in sight. In our journey today, we'll be exploring the reasons behind this relentless cycle. We'll delve into the pitfalls of not having a budget, the dangers of impulse spending, and the risks of not having an emergency fund. We'll also touch upon the burdens of high-interest debt, the consequences of ignoring savings, the implications of living beyond your means, and the cost of not investing in yourself. And finally, we'll discuss the perils of not setting clear financial goals. Many people face the same issue, but the good news is that you can turn your financial situation around. Let's delve into the reasons why you might always be broke and how to fix it. One of the main reasons you're always broke is the lack of a budget. A budget is like a roadmap for your money, and without one, it's easy to overspend. Hence, the first solution is to create a simple budget. List your monthly income and all your expenses. It's crucial to ensure your expenses don't exceed your income. The second pitfall is impulse spending, which can quickly drain your finances. To control this, create a shopping list and stick to it like glue. Avoid shopping when you're emotional or stressed. Implement a 24-hour rule. Always think for a day before making a purchase. A third issue is not having an emergency fund. This can lead to financial stress when unexpected expenses arise. To build an emergency fund, set aside a portion of your income each month, aiming for at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. High-interest credit card debt, the fourth issue, can be a major financial burden. To tackle this, pay more than just the minimum balance. Consider transferring your balance to a card with a lower interest rate and create a plan to pay off the debt systematically. The fifth problem is ignoring savings. If you're not saving for your future, you're setting yourself up for financial instability. Start saving, even if it's a small amount. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account and consider long-term investments, like a retirement account. Next, living beyond your means is a surefire way to always be broke. To fix this, cut unnecessary expenses. Embrace a more frugal lifestyle and focus on your needs rather than your wants. Not investing in yourself is the seventh issue. Investing in your education and skills can increase your earning potential. Learn new skills to make yourself more marketable, seek opportunities for career advancement, and pursue side gigs or freelance work to supplement your income. The eighth problem is having no clear financial goals. Without them, you're likely to drift aimlessly. Set specific and achievable financial goals, break them down into smaller, actionable steps, and regularly monitor your progress. Finally, consider increasing your income. Explore opportunities for a raise or promotion at your current job. Look for part-time work or freelancing gigs to supplement your income, and invest in yourself by acquiring new skills to make you more marketable. Consider starting a side business, selling your talents or products online, and networking to make connections in your industry. By boosting your income, you'll have more resources to allocate towards savings, paying off debt, and achieving your financial goals, making it easier to break free from the cycle of always being broke.